And Kenya's total COVID-19 cases now stand at 1,161 after 52 new cases were confirmed. A total of 2,567 persons were tested in the last 24 hours. 5 people have been discharged during that period, while the death toll remains at 50. Amid the rising numbers, the government is now considering tougher restrictions for Kibra constituency here in Nairobi. 8 new infections were reported in the area in the last 24 hours, pushing its tally to 89. Chemutai Goin reports on the government announcement that coincided with a raid on changa'a dens in Kibra.
Yesterday, Citizen Television highlighted this carefree attitude adopted by some of the Kibra residents in Soweto and Sarangombe. Patrons caring less of the risk of exposure to COVID-19 in an area that accounts for 89 of the cases in Nairobi County.
Kibra is beginning to be concerning. There is an additional 8 cases today in Kibra, and that is something worrying considering the population.
Today, police officers mounted an operation to enforce the law. The dens in Sarangombe and Soweto raided.
Hatutakubali kuregea, tutaendelea na kufanya hiyo operation na turudiusi maneno because sisi tunaogopa mambo ya watu kushikwa na hiyo ugonjwa.
And this is just the beginning. Health Cabinet Secretary Chemutai Goin disclosing that they were considering slapping Kibra residents with more stringent measures. If this is done, Kibra will be the 3rd estate after Old Town in Mombasa and Eastleigh, Nairobi, to be slapped with orders restricting movement.
So I want to again continue to urge our people to be careful.
During the raid, 3,000 litres of changa'a, 600 litres of constituency, and some 1,500 litres of busaa were netted, with only 1 person arrested, as many got wind of the impending raid and escaped. But despite the blatant disregard of the precautionary measures, the area also faces the challenge of inadequate water supply, which compromises levels of hygiene, key in flattening the curve. Also put on high alert is Busia County, which recorded 7 new cases.
It is a border point. There are a lot of truck drivers in Busia, and you can see that the figures in that county are beginning to grow.
And with more counties recording COVID-19 infections, the Health Ministry has commenced a needs assessment survey of all the counties to pinpoint challenges, especially in the COVID-19 battle.
We are happy that Mombasa is taking it seriously and containing.
Kagwe was in Machakos County, singled out as one of the high-risk counties since it is on the transport corridor.
Kama wewe ni dereva wa truck na unakuja unapitia Machakos na umetoka Mombasa, sasa tuta make sure kwa boda ya Machakos, kama hauna barua ya kuonyeshana umepimwa na uko negative umetoka Mombasa, hatutakuruhusu kuingia Machakos na kupeleka ugonjwa the rest of the country.
Let's not think that because Machakos has only got 3 cases so far, that you are safe. To keep the numbers this low, the residents are urged to continue adhering to the containment measures.
Kagwe also toured the Jomo Kenyatta Stadium, which was converted to a testing, isolation and treatment area for COVID patients. With community spread having been established and close to 20 counties reporting COVID-19 cases, there lies the need for a proper response plan in order to contain the spread of the virus. Chemutai Goin, Citizen TV, Machakos County.